you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Tiffany, and I'm so excited to be back with you all here on YouTube, and I'll be sharing with you how I created this awesome Flexirod set using that new from the Main Choice. So please stay tuned. Alright, so again, I'll be using the Main Choice, and this will be their new Pink Lemonade and Coconut Super Antioxidant and Texture Beautifier collection that is available at select Walmart locations. So this consists of a shampoo, conditioner, a mousse, a curl boosting sorbet, and a 5-minute reviving mask has just been added to the collection. Alright, so we will begin, and I have wet my hair, so my hair is soaking wet. And I will start off with the Pink Lemonade and Coconut Super Antioxidant and Texture Beautifier Shampoo. So this shampoo, again, like most of their products, are infused with biotin and vitamin C and E. It is also sulfate and paraben free. I like the fact that it's super creamy and it lathers up with ease. I'll always start at the base of my hair and working my way down. And as you can see, I can finger detangle with this shampoo. I love that the Main Choice makes everything easy with the wash day process. So I'll just make sure that I get up all the product buildup, as this shampoo does help to slightly clarify my hair. So after shampooing and rinsing that out, I will go ahead with the Pink Lemonade and Coconut Super Antioxidant and Texture Beautifying Conditioner. Now this will be a rinse out conditioner, and again it is infused with biotin and vitamin C and E. I will begin by sectioning my hair into 4 using the crocodile hair clips from themainchoice.com. So after applying a large amount of conditioner to my hands, I will work it through that back section of hair, really raking that through and smoothing it through. And as you can see, I can finger detangle. So guys, I'm not trying to play with y'all, but the Main Choice really creates products that really make wash day a breeze. So after finger detangling, I will go in further with my detangling brush just to make sure all the knots are out, because I will be doing a Flexirod set. I will twist this section away and I will repeat that process. So after leaving the conditioner in for about 5 minutes or so, I will rinse it out, and now it's time to start styling. And I will be using the Pink Lemonade and Coconut Super Antioxidant and Texture Beautifier Mousse. So I really do love this mousse, guys, because it's super lightweight. It helps to combat frizz and it adds a lot of shine to my hair. It's also a non-sticky formula. So I take 2 to 3 pumps, and I kid you not, guys, it's going to give you a lot of definition, a lot of hold, but it's going to be super lightweight. So I will start in the back, taking a medium-sized section of hair, pumping 2 to 3 pumps of the mousse out and applying that to my hair, and then I will detangle with my detangling brush. Then I will be using my Flexirods that I got from themainchoice.com in the size small. I will take the Flexirod and securing it at the base of my hair, and I will rod my hair down the length of the rod, making sure to smooth the ends for a really nice finished look, and then I will secure the end of the rod. And I will repeat that process again, taking a medium-sized section of hair, detangling it with my detangling brush this time. I will take 2 to 3 pumps of the mousse and smoothing that onto my hair, securing the small Flexirod at the base, rodding my hair all the way down really tightly and securely, and making sure that the ends are super smooth for, again, a nice finished look at the end, and then securing the end of the rod. So when it's all said and done, I use approximately between 16 to 18 rods, which would be about 2 packs of the rods from themainchoice.com. And I set up under the hair dryer for roughly an hour and a half to 2 hours to make sure my hair was completely dry. I also added my makeup, and now it's going to be time to take down the hair. So just starting to unravel each rod, making sure that each curl is intact and is completely dry, and I will repeat that process throughout my entire head. So guys, I really want to take a pause for the cause and allow you all to see the shine and the definition that I got from these products. Look at this curl, look at that bounce, look at the movement, guys. I mean, but the shine itself is on 10. So after applying a little bit of oil to my hands, I'm going to run that throughout the length of my hair. And this will help to not only add more shine to my hair, but also to help minimize frizz as I begin to separate my curls. So I will begin in the back and I will break each curl up as it naturally wants to break and twirl it around my fingers a little bit to keep the curl shape intact. And I will go throughout my entire head, creating more curls and more volume. So guys, these are my final results. Take a look at this hair. Look at the body, the movement, the shine. Look at the curl poppage. I mean, I am thoroughly pleased with these products from The Mane Choice. I went in a little bit further with a pick just to pick out my roots to give me a little bit more volume and length. But I am definitely loving these products from The Mane Choice. You definitely need to pick these up at your local Walmart. So definitely head over to themanechoice.com and look at their store locator for a Walmart location near you. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Take care, God bless, and peace out.